you smell bacon?
Do I smell bacon? Did somebody make bacon?
I don't know. It kind of smells like maybe. Do Ninja Turtles like bacon?
Yeah. And they do like pizza.
Ninja Turtles love pizza. That's their favorite meal.
And that's my favorite meal too.
Their favorite meal is pizza.
Ooh. Ooh.
Look at the size of me.
Look at the size of you.
I'm really big. I'm like 40 feet.
You're 40 feet
Yeah,
big?
yeah.
That's huge.
And this is my mask.
Oh, I thought it was
When
your.
did you move in here, March.
I thought it was your helmet.
No, my helmet is this.
I think we should look.